Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter H. Capital H, little h. What words begin with H? House, H-O-U-S-E. The word house begins with the letter H. They come in all shapes and sizes. The house sat on a hill. Hay, H-A-Y. Long strands of dried grass, usually compressed into cubes or wadded into rolls. The hay lay out in the field. Horse, H-O-R-S-E. The word horse also begins with the letter H. Ours is named Holly. The horse nipped at the hay. All right, we will leave you in peace. What sound does the letter H represent? Can you say Very good. H, the 8th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.